Hi YouTube. So today I'm going to do a changing video for Miss Ireland Rain. We're going to put her in this beautiful polo dress, and she's going to wear her little pink bow to go with it. So I hope you enjoy, and here we go. So I'm off work today, so that's great. So I'm getting to spend a lot more quality time with Miss Ireland, and that's great. Because she needs a little mommy me time.
Something that's really important to dentists is to make sure that enamel stays strong and
resilient for a lifetime. The more that we can strengthen and reharden. She's very beautiful. I just can't get over her work, her artwork. It is just amazing on her artwork.
Helps to strengthen and reharden the enamel. It also has stain lifting action. It's going to give
her artwork is just amazing. So we're going to put her in her little outfit. We were going to go out today, go in the public, and we changed our minds because she wasn't ready, and neither was I, really. So yeah, so she wasn't ready, and neither was I. So but I think I'm gonna try to find a tripod for my changing videos, because holding the phone and trying to do changing videos is kind of hard. We have not gotten any more clothes yet, unfortunately, but we are going to try to get her some more clothes. There. And once we do that, we'll have more changing videos to come. So just be waiting for those videos. We're also going to do some tutorials on modifying pacifiers, modifying bottles. We are going to make sure that Miss Ireland Rain is nice and cared for, thanks to her Auntie Pamela. Thanks, guys. Bye.